Hey guys, what's going on? It's Nicole here with the review of the Matias Mini Tactile Pro mechanical keyboard. This keyboard features Alps switches, which are the same switches Apple used in their Apple Extended keyboard. These switches offer a very tactile feel as well as an amazing clicky sound. However, they do sound very different from Cherry switches. From my experience, they are louder than Cherry MX Blue switches and have a less high-pitched sound. The keyboard features in total 3 USB 2.0 ports, one on each side and one on the back of the keyboard. These ports are extremely useful, knowing that one of the USB ports on your computer is taken by the cable that is used to connect the keyboard. Along with the keyboard, Matias includes a 1 meter portable cable as well as a much longer 2 meter cable for home use. On the bottom of the keyboard, you will find 2 little rubber pads which do a good job at preventing your keyboard from sliding around on your desk, and you will also find the 2 sturdiest little feet I have ever seen on a keyboard. Seriously, they are really sturdy. The keys are laser etched, meaning that the symbols will never in a million years ever rub off, and what's particularly special about this keyboard is that it has a layout compatible with Mac computers. In addition to that, the layout of the keyboard is perfect. The shift, delete, and return buttons are all quite large, and the keys are easily accessible by fingers of all lengths. The only thing holding this keyboard back from being perfect is the squeaking noise I've been having with the spacebar. Finally, this is a sound test of the Matias Mini Tactile Pro mechanical keyboard. You can find this on matias.ca.